So let's start with this garage door. You notice we have failing weather stripping here. So we have a Frost King product made specifically for that. It's a piece of trim with the attached weather stripping that would install here.
And so that's going to seal up these gaps so that you don't have cold air coming into the house right through the garage.
That's right.